Quit eating salads, quit eating vegetables, and quit eating healthy food. If you are currently eating these things when trying to lose weight, it might be a complete waste of time. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly why that is. If you are somebody who is trying to make dieting the easiest for themselves and make it seem like you're not even dieting, please stay until the end, as I've got a few great tips that you've never heard. Now, before we dive into why you actually should not eat healthy food, we need to describe why somebody loses weight to begin with. When it comes to weight loss, we usually use this term of calories in versus calories out. Calories in versus calories out simply dictates that if somebody eats less calories every single day than they burn, they will of course be able to lose weight, simply because their body needs that energy to actually allow them to stay alive and do the activities of their daily life. But without all those extra calories coming in from the food, it is of course going to come from their fat. And you might be thinking to me, Logan, how in the world do I find out how many calories I should need to consume during the day? Well, luckily for you, I went ahead and linked below the NIH Body Weight Planner, which is one of my favorite calorie calculator tools that you can use to find out your calorie needs for yourself. But for all intensive purposes, let's use a 47-year-old, 185-pound male as our example. We're going to say that he's lightly active, 5'9", and wants to lose about 10 pounds in the next 6 months. He isn't going to change his activity at all, and if we punch in all of this data, we can see that he needs to eat about 2,500 calories a day to get to that goal weight. That's great, so how is he going to get there? Eating healthy, of course. Let's just eat some salads and greens. It should be easy, right? Absolutely not. Many people will lean towards these types of foods to allow them to lose weight simply because they think they're healthy. Most of the times they are, but what a lot of people do is make these healthy foods unhealthy. Let's use the salad for an example. Say you have a nice bed of lettuce greens with some tomatoes and onions. Only about 100 calories here, maybe less. Not bad, but you need to add some dressing, right? Most people use a large amount of full-fat dressing. This could easily add 300 calories. But I like my croutons and cheese as well, you say. Add those on too. Even just a standard serving of both of those could add another 200 calories. Are you keeping track? We are now at a 600 calorie salad, but there is still something missing. We need protein. How about a boiled egg and a small piece of crispy chicken? A little fried food won't hurt me, right? Although you are getting some good protein in, you have just inflated your salad to 1,000 calories in total. And that's before you have your main course in addition to a soda and maybe a small cookie because it's your cheat day. Add another 800 to 1,200 calories and this entire meal could account for that one person's entire calorie goals for their overall weight loss. It can get out of hand so quickly. Now, what we can learn from this is that you can make any healthy food unhealthy. You could take some popcorn, which is a really good source of whole grains and fiber, and add a bunch of butter on it to make it unhealthy. You could take some broccoli or collard greens and add a bunch of cheese onto it, of course to make it taste better, making this healthy food unhealthy. If you're trying to diet for yourself, you need to take these things into consideration because they can really add up to your overall calories and make weight loss almost impossible for you. If you want to continue to be healthier in life and continue your overall knowledge of the gym regardless of your current ability in life, you need to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And of course, like the video if this helped you. And I'm also going to link another video describing a common weight loss mistake that people always make when they are trying to lose weight.
Tell me you know